This hair mask is superb if you're suffering from dull hair, or your hair is breaking a lot. You see your hair litter on the floor, you'll be wondering, what are you not doing right? My dear, try this mask. Yes, I bet you. Try this mask. Then come back and share your testimony with me in the comment section. But before that, have you followed me? Have you followed me? Did you like this video? I bet you did not like it. Yes, I know. You that is watching me, you do not like this video. You not even share. And share it. Just you don't share. Share with your friends, so they will benefit. They benefit this simple thing that you just make in your kitchen. It will not even cost you. It will not even take your time. It's just 5 minutes. Did you even reach 5 minutes? No, I don't think. Alright, let's go. Let's go and check. So let's get started. In a clean pot, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch helps give the moisture a smooth gel-like consistency and can help coat the hair strands, making them feel softer and easier to manage. Next, pour in 1 cup of water and stir thoroughly until the cornstarch is completely dissolved with no lumps. Place the pot over low heat, stirring continuously until the mixture thickens into a smooth gel. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. While that's cooking, if you are enjoying this video and haven't subscribed yet, welcome to Tina's Hair and Beauty. I share simple natural DIY hair care recipes to help you achieve healthier, stronger hair. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new upload. Now that our cornstarch gel has thickened, it's time for the star ingredient. We'll be adding half cup of hibiscus juice. Don't pour it in all at once. Instead, add little at a time, stirring well after each addition. This helps the gel stay smooth and blend evenly. You will notice the color gradually change into a beautiful reddish shade. Hibiscus is one of the most popular natural ingredients used in hair care. It contains antioxidants and nutrients that help support a healthy scalp, reduce hair breakage, improve the appearance of thicker looking hair, and keep the hair soft and manageable. With consistent hair care, it can be a great addition to healthy hair routine. Continue adding the hibiscus juice little by little, stirring after each addition until you have completely mixed in the entire half cup. The texture should now be smooth, silky and free of lumps. Stay with me because we are about to add the next ingredient that will make this DIY even more nourishing for your hair.
Did I do for you?
it's time to apply our deep conditioning hair mask that we made. So for the application, can you see? Yes, this is how it looks. Ooh la la. My bird, my bird, my bird. Yes. So for the application, first we need to moisturize our hair. Please, 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 I beg you, don't always use a hair mask on a dry hair. No, don't do that. Anytime you want to apply a mask, please always use a moisturizer. You can use aloe vera, you can use anything, but please, I always prefer plain water. Yes, I always prefer plain water to moisturize my hair before I apply my mask. So let's get right to it. This is how you start by moisturizing your hair, spraying water all on your hair. With this, it will help the mask to penetrate well into your hair shaft. Yes, moisturizing helps mask or oil or anything that you want, even deep conditioner, even leave-in conditioner. Yes, each time you want to use leave-in conditioner, please moisturize your hair first before applying your leave-in conditioner. So for this deep conditioning mask, I applied the water first, as you can see. The next is applying the mask. Guys, can you see what I'm doing? So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and always leave any question in the comment section. I'm always available to be your friend, to answer your questions. If you want any hair remedy, or if you're suffering from anything, leave it down. I'll create a DIY routine for you. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next one. I love you and remain blessed. Please always remember that I'm rooting for you. See you in my next one. I love you. Bye bye.